Okay guys, welcome back with me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Europe's price extend fall after EU earnings price cap reset. European national gas future fell to their lowest worst in the month of Tuesday, extending their delays after the European Union was set to bring Hula's energy force down a half a looming winter energy crisis. By the former, the TTP contract will serve as the breakman for Northwest Europa. Was done Charles emerged house watching and the life from the well-known law of army we have that is hit at the oven. TTV future all now done over 14 minutes for the third fix last month that speak Russia, confirming fear that Israel shut down all energies will auto arrival of the coming winter will make forward with the also on the line for quitterability future for January. All falling for over 2000 Edward goes week to close at the or we hay on the Wednesday will be set for the whole calendar of the year. However, these freeze still remain at the level at the fall for about 13 with side before the Russian invasion of Ukraine and one already seen a usual table for the European economy in general. Energy is tight. Industry is relied on the risk in January. And is less economy with under falling near to 7 minutes without February and July. Controversial research and society VWA site on Tuesday is the first January economy to share by 7 minutes scenarios also of the energy crisis, having a little forecast growth of the 3 minutes its inflation reaching to from this year there's something further. Of Wednesday, the European Commission had all follows and the freedom overhaul the way Europa in various energy market world by forcing cap on the amount that non-fossil fuel generation in Russia gas monopoly government MISI GAGV can raise fall their older in the removal, the believing and the withdrawal thesis and generation and the whole oil and gas companies will allow government to give house load and the basis level from side energy less. The Commission also first and register kept inspecting the mine, arranged to write the amount for needed on any given day from gas power generation, gas generator, efficiency and the driving out of the main set there almost always see the vertical field in the spot market. The competition will have already been pulled down by national. Proposal will be discussed at meeting of EU Energy Minister of Friday. The market by fossil of the and the amount and the non-fossil fuel generator and the Russia for example. The Commission also and the medical and the remaining and the fuel and the negative fuel gas for the fuel generator. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe.